Hey there, welcome to Even my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, I am going to show you how to change Facebook page and business page URL. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in your Facebook account, and here is my Facebook account. Then click on here. Looks very carefully. You have to select your page. So click on the see all profile. Then I'm going to select my page. For example, I'm going to select this one. Okay, and click on here the Facebook icon, logo icon or profile icon of your Facebook page. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on this icon, then settings. Now scroll down, then click on the page setup, then click on here view, and now you can see that here is the username. Just click on here edit. Now you can add your new page name, or you can change it as your wish, anything as you like. And finally you have to click on the save change. So I hope you understand how you can do this very easily and quickly. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant social media marketing, especially Facebook marketing or SEO or video marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.